Hey guys, today we're slow trolling for crappies on a small lake. The GoPro back is on because it's rainy day, and when I have the back on you can't hear us talk or any of the action that's going on, so I have to do voiceover. Like I said, we're slow trolling the lake. We're using tube jigs. We have 12-foot pole, two 12-foot poles out the back, and then medium length ones up to the front. It was a cold morning, about 60 degrees in July. The bite was pretty slow. It'd been rainy the last couple days. So we pick up a couple here and there, so enjoy the video and get out and catch some fish.